Stand up tall with the dumbbells down by your side. You're going to take a large step back into a lunge position, making sure both knees are bending. And on that front leg, you want to drive your weight through that heel, keeping your knee right above your ankle. And there's also a slight lean forward in your upper body. This is going to help alleviate any knee pain that often I hear with clients having with lunges. Because we are stepping back, a lot of the focus is more in your heel and your glutes, and it's going to help with that knee. Now you want to make sure that you do all the reps on one side and then switch and do the other side. This is also going to help with balance. One other key note with the balance is notice that I am looking down at my foot instead of up in the mirror. Oftentimes when you look up in the mirror, you're going to throw yourself off balance. When you are feeling a lot of knee pain, make sure that that knee is right above your ankle. So you can see here, this is what it looks like when it's too far forward. That's going to put a lot of pressure on your quad and also translates that to your knee. So you want to make sure that you keep your knee right where it is above your ankle and step back into the lunge. One last important note is when you're driving back into your lunge, make sure that your knee is not caving in as well as any other leg exercise. We never want that knee to cross your inline of your body. So make sure that when you are stepping back that your knee is pointing in the same direction as your toe.